Here I believe everything should record pretty fine. As you can see, I'm wearing a tie. That means I'm credible to some extent. What is up, guys? In this video I want to just go over a few updates for CodePalace and in what general direction we are going. As you may have noticed, I've recently been uploading a few videos on machine learning and a lot of videos that have to do with Python. And the goal actually is to learn how to make intelligent programs that can actually do things for us, to the point that we can create our very own neural networks and we can start working with some reinforcement learning so that our programs can just learn to work by themselves. There are so many things out there that I would love to automate, and I would just love that my computer could do it by itself without me having to be there. So that's the general goal right now for CodePalace, is to get to that point where we can work with stock prediction, where we can work with data scraping from the web to make some other predictions, and just data manipulation. So right now we're getting to a very data heavy part of CodePalace. And of course I'm going to continue uploading some chatbots, some AI, some of those very simple programs that keep programming fun and that are very useful for everyday situations. I also really want to try to recreate my WhatsApp bot tutorial because there are so many things I learned since I last created it, and I believe I can make it much better, much more responsive, and still keep it free without having to use the API that was required by Facebook to use it professionally. And the general idea is that I'm going to be working a lot more with data science, which means you might notice some other new languages appear on the channel, such as C++ or even the R language that's very good for analyzing statistics. And yeah, just in general, I'm just going to upload whatever I find interesting as always. If you have any recommendations, just leave them in the comment section down below, and please make sure it's related to Python or data science, because as you may have heard in one of my older videos, I'm not working in Android development anymore because it does not interest me as it did in the past. Any suggestions for Kotlin or Android will be ignored, but other than that, any other suggestions are more than welcome. And of course, I'm really looking forward to diving deeper into data science, and I hope you guys are as well. But with that being said, as always guys, have a wonderful week and I will see you in the next video.